Bonjour, Français 2. I think there were only one or two of you that were absent yesterday, so I don't want to spend too long re-explaining the writing assignment. It's pretty word for word if you just carefully read the front of the page, okay, what to do. Yesterday we spent a little time brainstorming with these three circles, and I'm going to probably try to leave my board just like it is right now. I do have a professional learning day today. What y'all are going to be doing today is writing for me for a grade. You're going to be turning a couple of things in. So the first thing is what we started yesterday. All right, so again, you should have your brainstorm page up here looking like this. Before I say shut the video down, go to the writing, write 7 complex sentences for me about this prompt, I want to talk just for a moment about the rubric. This is very important because this is how you're going to be graded on the quiz and writing test when that comes. Okay, and I know you can read over it, so I know I don't need to read over it word for word, but let's just look at a few things. At the top, grammar spelling. Here are the points possible if you do excellent, good, satisfactory, needs improvement. So grammar spelling, 5 minor errors or fewer, there's an asterisk. That's because on the back of this page, I have a little note about what I consider a minor error and what I consider a major error. And you can kind of read over the next few. Remember, it's going to be open notes the day of the writing for a quiz and test grade, so I do feel the freedom to be a lot more picky with you for this reason, okay? The next category is one of the most valuable to me, using what you know, using resources, knowledge. Are you using your notes? You are not allowed to use Google Translate. In fact, as soon as you finish watching this video, I'm going to have the sub tell you to shut your computers down. Are you using words from the current unit? Does the student show mastery of learned vocabulary? In this case, we're doing a lot of the school vocabulary, principal, vice principal, places around the school, some of the newer adjectives such as energetic. Are you using your verbs well? Aller, avoir, être. You should have verb cards for all of these, including faire. Okay, let's go on to creativity, because I know you can look over here. I don't want to bore you too much. I do want you to read these. You can see here. Anyway, you can look over that. All right, creativity, this category, is the student's voice heard? Does it sound like you, or are you just parroting something, trying to just get it over with? Using knowledge in a creative way. Knowledge is used in a way that is unique to the student's thoughts. 4 out of the 7 sentences are considered very creative. Students maybe added a sentence or 2. And then here, the wow factor for the extra point or bonus up to 10 extra points. Sentences are very complex, maybe 8 words or more with transitions, not just lists. Student used several words from song sheets, Duolingo, mentioned in class but not even quizzed on, those kinds of things. So in order not to make the video too long, I'm going to stop there, but make sure that you sort of take some time with this rubric before you get started, and then you are ready to write. So again, the prompt up here, what is your favorite season? Why? Explain all the advantages of this particular season. If you run out of things to say, out of positive sentences about what you're wearing, the activities you do, why, the weather, make some negative sentences, okay? Remember to use some transitional words that we put here on the front. And for those of y'all that missed, mais is but, et is and, parce que is because, après is after, avant is before, and then on the board we have some more.